How is the Iran conflict shaping the future of Shia Muslims? In today's editorial, we're going to talk about it. So come, let's have a look. Now, the Iran conflict is not only a geopolitical issue, it is also shaping the future of the Shia identity across the West Asia. Now, the article talks about how ongoing tensions and conflicts involving the Iran and Israel and other countries are affecting the Shia Muslims, a major branch of Islam. First, let us talk about who are the Shia Muslims. So, Islam has two major branches, the Sunni and Shias. Now, the split began after the Prophet Muhammad's death over who should lead the Muslim community. Now, Shias believed leadership should have stayed within the Prophet's family, especially through Ali ibn Abi Talib. And a major emotional and religious event for Shias is the Battle of Karbala, which happened in 680 BC, where Hussein ibn Ali was killed. Now, this event symbolizes the sacrifice, resistance against injustice, and martyrdom. Now, what exactly is happening now? This article says that there are two simultaneous trends that are going on, which is happening in the Shia society. First, the fragmentation, which is the breaking apart. Wars in places like the Lebanon, Yemen, Iraq, and Syria have weakened Shia communities. Economic crisis, political instability, and military losses are making Shia groups less powerful, and this may weaken the idea of a united Shia political identity. Second, radical consolidation, coming together more strongly. At the same time, external threats, especially attacks by rivals, can make the Shias feel more united. Shared suffering often strengthens group identity. This can push some communities towards stronger resistance politics. Now, why is the Karbala important here? See, Shias often interpret present-day conflicts through the lens of Karbala, and they see themselves as resisting operations just like the Hussein did. So, modern wars are not just political, they are emotionally and religiously charged. What could happen in the future? Let us talk about that. So, the article suggests the two possibilities. First, identity weakens. If war continues causing destruction and division, Shia political power may decline. Second, identity strengthens. If Shias feel attacked from outside, they may become even more united and resistant. So the future depends on whether conflicts create exhaustion or stronger solidarity. Now let us talk about the multiple dimensions of this article. The first is the international relations dimension. Iran uses Shia network to expand influence in West Asia, often called the Shia crescent. Impact regional power balance with Israel, Saudi Arabia, and the United States. Then second is the religion and society dimension, shows how religion can shape politics and identity. Historical memory like Karbala still affects modern politics. Then we have security dimension, rise of militia groups like Hezbollah and the Houthis. Proxy wars create instability in West Asia. Then we have the economic dimension also, and India's interest is India has both strong ties with Iran and Israel. Energy security, diaspora safety, and regional stability matter for India. This becomes highly relevant for GS paper 2 international relations and GS paper 1 society, and for essay also this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.